I think this is pretty cool. Survived the first night. I think I'm gonna make it.
Were you cold?
No, it really wasn't. The rest of the hill, I was actually too warm. Surprising, huh?
On by, on by. On by. On by, on by. Ooh. Or stop, one of the two.
Yeah.
So how's the trip going so far for you?
Oh, it's great. I love these.
How'd you sleep last night?
Slept like a baby. Actually a little bit warm last night. Could have used it to be just a tad cooler. I had to unzip part of my bag. People that don't do this don't realize just how warm it is.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Alright, let's go get some water. Okay, let me grab this thing out real quick before we... excuse me.
Through this way, and hopefully maybe we're going to be able to go right through this little isthmus at this campsite instead of going around all the way around here. We'll just go through there and go back into the far end, and whether we can see it or not, there is a trail that goes all the way through here and joins back. This line joins with this red line here. Gesundheit.
Keiko flavored. We're gonna power those.
Puppy. Woo!
Hey, Bubba, you're moving
Hey! Hey!